Hey, this is Jacob Shadow Prasad LLC. Today's date's February 27th, 2023, and today I'm going to be working on my ringers. I'm going to tie up a little bit of separation there, and they leak when it rains, so I'm going to try to put like a bucket down here to try to catch them. So I have 5 of those I got to fix because all of them are leaking, and so that's going to be today's project. So let me get everything set up for that, and we'll get started. Alright, so I'm up here on the first. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt and stuff, so I'm just going to grab that vacuum there, vacuum it out, and then I'm going to see if I can, there's some of the caulk in here that for some odd reason didn't stick, so I'm going to see about peeling that off. You see it's coming right off, which is good, and what I'm going to use for this, and hopefully it works, is I'm just going to try to clean this out as best as possible, and then use some Flex Seal on it. Not Flex, yeah, some Flex Seal tape. That's what I tried doing here, and you can tell it didn't really take. So I'm gonna grab a scraper, see if I can scrape that stuff off, and then use the tape. So let me vacuum this out first, and then we'll go from there. I might vacuum out some more. As you can see, it's got all the little pebbles and stuff from the roof on here. So I'll try to vacuum some of the dirt off that I could. I'm gonna see if I can get a scraper and see if I can't like scrape some of that dirt off right here, and then I'll re-vacuum it. But I'm gonna see how much of this stuff I can scrape off. It looks like that's not gonna come off, so that might give me an issue with it unless I can unless the tape can go over both sides there. But let me see if I can't scrape it off a little bit better, and then I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so I got that somewhat cleaned. Hopefully I can put the tape on there with no problem. As I'm using this flex tape to do it. It's 4 inches wide, so it should be big enough to cover it up. Let me measure out a piece and show you guys what I'm going to do. I'll take it off so you can see it's got a little plastic film at the bottom here to help with keeping it on there. So let me measure out how big of a piece I'm going to need in here, and then I'll cut it. So I'm just going to use scissors to cut it. Hopefully it'll, yeah, it's going to cut. It's just going to be a little bit of it's a little bit of work, not too much, but alright, now that I got the scissors off, or now that I got that piece cut, let me, the plastic peels right off. There's a part you gotta be really careful with so it doesn't get stuck everywhere else except where you want it to. See, my main thing is the bottom here. Make sure the bottom gets sealed in good. Same thing with the back side. I'm not sure how this is going to do it. Let's see, there's still, oops, sorry, still a little bit of a gap right here, so let me see if I can't go. Let's see, this thing's freaking good enough to get in there. It's hard to take off, but so I'm going to come in and just make sure everything gets those corners down there as good as possible. Same thing over here, because it looks like the backside over here is all open. See, I'm not liking how it's still got a little bit of opening there, but I'm hoping it'll seal good everywhere else, and hopefully it'll hold. So gotta make sure. I have some of the actual Flex Seal spray. I might spray along these edges here just to make sure it seals properly, but thinking it might be good. Won't know till it rains again. So, and I could put water in it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll just have to wait and see once it rains if it's gonna hold or not. So I gotta do this 4 more times. So let me get that done, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. How good that's coming on camera, but as you can tell, it's kind of pretty messed up. It's got quite a big lift here, so I'll probably end up using 2 pieces of tape on this one to make sure I get a good seal on it. Alright, so I did the 2 pieces of tape on this one, going down and across this way, and then just going across that way there. Hopefully that'll work. We will find out. Alright, so I'm done fixing the leaks, hopefully, but I got to redirect the water from here onto that tank there. And the reason, just used to have the tank right down here on the floor, but as you can see, we ended up putting asphalt in the driveway, and I'll show you guys everything we did. The whole, we ended up doing the whole driveway, as you can see. So it goes all the way around to the wife's food truck, and then down into the garage. So because of that, I don't want to put in my tanks over here anymore, because I'm worried that once it gets hot or something, it's gonna put dents in the asphalt. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave this tank here. Those 2 I'm gonna eventually move to the backyard. Then eventually I'm gonna want to run a pipe coming down the wall here, and then dig it underneath ground and have the water redirect over there. But that probably won't be till this summer or later on, but we'll see. Sorry, and I got to figure out how I can get this to over here. And let me see. I'll set up the camera and kind of show you guys what I want to do and see if it's going to work. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I was going to try to take this one off, but I couldn't find the damn screws to do it. So I'm just going to put this one over it, just like so. Can't be losing screws here unless I want to get a flat tire. Alright, that one's in there. Ouch. Hopefully they don't fall on the rocks, but we'll see. Saw that one did go into the rocks somewhere. Maybe I should pre-drill my holes, huh? Look at the spatters today too. Had enough. Alright, so I'm going to redirect it this way. So hopefully the water will go that way. Let me see, I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so this black thing here is a 3-inch cup. I was able to fit in there, but as you can see, I had to cut it to get it to, then I cut it on the top and the bottom here to get it to go in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually use that flex tape I have to wrap around this to hopefully keep it in place and sealed. I'm going to attach it to that there. I got to measure it first, see how long I need it, and then we'll go from there. So let me get the tape on there, and then I'll measure this cut here, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to get the water to go into there. Alright, so when I cut this piece here, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to this T here for now. It's just a, looks like it's just a temporary setup. It's not going to be anything permanent, so have it here like that, and put this over here. There we go. So now when it rains, the water will hopefully come down the pipe here. Let me zoom out. I got zoomed in. All right. So it'll hopefully come out the pipe, go down this way into here, and then into the tank, and get us some water in that tank. So hopefully that does the trick, and that's it for this video. Any questions, concerns, or any comments about anything, feel free to leave, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.